Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Candle Nadia TV. On today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to revamp your curly hairs such as your PC coils. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post wonderful videos here on YouTube. So guys, let's get right into the video. So guys, this is the wig that we're going to be working on. It's actually a PC coil wig, kind of like lost its coils, so we're going to revamp just to bring back the coils guys. So guys, here are some of the products that I'm going to be using to revamp my curly hairs. This is our tresemme shampoo. Okay, you can choose to use any choice of yours, but this is okay, it's super nice. And this is our condition. Okay, this is the condition I use. It makes your hair too soft, super soft. Okay, and here is our keratin milk. You can see that it helps to retain the volume. All right, makes your hair to be super stress free from any tangle. Okay, and this is our eye slick. This is our miracle worker. It brings back the curls after revamping. Okay, and this is our luodias spray as well. It makes your hair look shiny, okay, and gives it that fragrance. All right, and this is our leave-in condition. All right, so guys, let's get right into the video and let me show you how to use this product to revamp your curly hairs.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want to know. Secrets
So guys, while we are waiting for the condition to stick into the hair, let me quickly introduce to you our hair brand, Candle Nadia Luxury Hair. So guys, this brand We sell bundles, we sell budget wigs, we sell closures, we sell frontal. So don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok, on Facebook. Just go to the description box, you're gonna see the links there. So just follow us, and not just follow, make sure to patronize this brand. We give you quality for less, okay guys?
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Here's the finished look of our revamp hair. Beautiful, right? So don't forget to smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post wonderful videos here on YouTube. And also like this video or comment on this video what you think about this video. And don't forget to follow our hair page. We give you luxury beautiful wigs for less. Okay guys, see you on my next video. Bye. Love ya.